Hey guys, my name is Akhil and welcome to btech. So in this video, I'll be explaining about the Mitsogo round 2 examination, around the what kind of questions they have asked and everything. So before that, around 5 days back, I have released the next round update, and this test was conducted, I think, around 2 days or 3 days back. So it's been late that I have released the videos shortly, not shortly, but taken a lot of time. But here we go without any delay. So Mitsogo company round 2. And the pattern of the entire round 2 is around 2 essay questions and 3 coding questions, all out of easy level. Okay, so the first essay question is, so they are given a small paragraph, not paragraph but a story. So what we need to do is we need to continue the story. Here you go. Here you see, right, in river town, a close knit group of people found an old map in the forest, hinting at a lost treasure. Excited, they embarked on a thrilling quest, facing challenges and bonding like never before. The journey led them to an ancient temple where they made a surprising discovery, but what they found inside left them with more questions than answers, sparking a new adventure filled with intrigue and mystery. So continue the story. So this is simple. So they are left with half of the story and they are asking you to continue the story. And the guidelines are minimum around 300 words, and plagiarism content will be disqualified, and spelling or grammatical errors will be disqualified, and AI generated contents will be disqualified. So I think they are given around 30 minutes of time to write 300 lines, which is very less time to very less time for any candidate to answer. So in case if you want to use AI like ChatGPT or Bing, so use that, no problem. But one thing, so in case if you use this kind of tools, AI tools, try to paraphrase the sentence. Like in case if there is a sentence called "My name is Akhil," so it will once you do paraphrasing, so it might give you the sentence as your name is Akhil, something in that manner it will be giving you. So just use this kind of kill bot on website. Let me grab you. Bot. So this is a website, so which I usually prefer and use. So what it will you let me Google, let me get some content. So I will be demonstrating you the how it works. So for example, this is the content that you have copied from the Google. So paste it here and paraphrase it. So this is a paraphrase sentence after we got. So let's go and grab the plagiarism checker. So we have every tool on the online itself. No need to create or everything. So duplicate checker. Let's use this. So let's paste this before content. Let's paste this content. So let's see where it will be referring and the plugin we'll be getting. So I'm not robot. Check plagiarism. So scanning plagiarism. We have 100% plagiarism. Here you can see. So we have 100% plagiarism from the site Google. So new pod news directory company / Google. So this is a thing. So let's use the paraphrase sentence. So this is a paraphrase sentence. So let's use this and let's see how much plagiarism we'll be getting. Let's go here. Paste, and I'm not robot. Check plagiarism. Scanning plagiarism. Let's see. Here you see we have 29 words and the result found is 0. Coming to the plagiarism check, we have 0% plagiarism and 100% unique. So this is a basic and simple process of you not getting what we call stuck by an AI or plagiarism bot. Okay, so that's a simple thing you can do. So based on that only I have helped one of the group member so to answer the story. So I have used the ChatGPT, 300 lines of content. So I have used this quill bot and I have generated the every paragraph into a paraphrase one, and that's it. You have the entire story with as a paraphrase. In case if you go and search, and in case if you go and find the plagiarism also, you won't get caught. So that's a simple thing. You need to get kind of some cheating stuff. And coming to the second question, with the help of Google, research about the following and write a detailed documentation in not less than 350 words. Plagiarism is not encouraged, and AI generated content will let you disqualified. Who said that? Nobody. No, we can use the AI generated. But as I told, use Quillbot, the best website I have ever used, and the plagiarism checker in case if you have doubts, but don't go for this. You don't go for cross checking once in case if you are writing the exam, but it's just a simple basic trick that you not gonna caught in the age and in the content. But here you see iOS and OAuth 2.0, our enterprise benefits, and was most to iOS with the new OAuth. So that's a what we call that's the title of this. So this is a simple thing which I use ChatGPT to generate the answer. Oh my god! So around 250 lines of content. It also provided the manner that iOS implements what benefits enterprise in multiple ways. You can use this saying you can use the Quillbot to use the ChatGPT to generate the content and Quillbot to paraphrase the sentences. That's it. Simple. And let's move to the next round, which is the coding round. So they have asked three coding questions, and one is so the problem they have asked is chemical factory and the best partition and inverted triangles. So these are the three questions. So I'll be explaining only the questions in this video. So later I will be diving into the solutions also in later videos. And let's see the first question, which is the chemical factory. So you are working in a chemical factory. Each chemicals in the factory is represented by a string. You have to group the chemicals in such a way that no two expensive chemicals are together. So you are given an array of size n, denoting the names of n chemicals. Let x and y be the two strings representing two chemicals. Let x is equal to x plus y. For example, if x is equal to abc and then z is equal to abc. So the chemicals x and y are said to be explosive if we can jumble the characters of string z to get chemical y. As simple as that. Your task is to return the number of pairs of chemicals that are explosive. So we need to return the pairs that are explosive. Input the specification you can remove. So explanation you can go through that later. And come to the example 2. 3 medium easy YEASCYA. So in case if you are gonna remove that, so what are the explosive characters we'll be getting? Like here see, there is only one explosive pair, like pair EASY, YEASSEYA, where x is called easy and y is called EAASC. Something I can't pronounce what kind of word it is, but see is explode to z is equal to easy can be rearranged to form y is equal to YEASSEYA. So therefore the answer is 1. So you need to reframe or rephrase the entire word to get the first word, so that based on that you can find the explosive nature. Okay. Come to this input file and hacker int NITINT and hacker long. So we have two explosives, like for minute. In case if you reverse that, you will be getting NIT, which is like NIT only, INT only, and then hacker. So we'll be getting around 2 here. Hacker and the hacker. So that's fine. Entirely 2, you will be getting 2. As simple as that. And this is the default code they have provided, def number of pairs, class, as well as input 1 and input 2. You need to write the code here. And that's the first question. Simple question. So in case if you are well with the coding, just in case if you know the solution, please do comment the code below in the comment box. Okay. So come to the second question, which is the best partition. So you are given an array of positive numbers of size n and integer k. You need to partition the array into k continuous segments. For each segment, the sum of its elements needs to be calculated. The segment with the minimum sum is called the best segment, and the sum of elements with the best segment is called the best sum. So for all the possible combinations of partitions of the array when divided into k segments into their best sum, neither to be calculated or one among them with the maximum value needs to be returned. Simple. So n and then the length of array k and the best sum. Oh, let me go below. Yeah. So here you can see. So input is 1, 2, 3, 4, and their input size is 4. So the input they have given is 2. So total we have 4. Why? So we can partition the given to array into 2 consecutive segments into the following manner: 1, 2, 3, 4. Slash, there is a slash here. You can see the sum of the individual segment is 6, 4, and the best sum is 4. So minimum value we need to take. So or else we can partition in this manner. The sum of individual segments is 3, 7, and the best pair is 3. The sum of individual segments is 1, 9, and the best sum is 1. So the maximum value of best sum among 4, 3, 1 is 4. So 4 will be written as the answer. So 4, 3, 1. So the 4. Simple program, guys. Simple program. Anybody can see. Anybody can solve. So same here, we need to partition into the four segments, and then simple you will be getting an answer called 5 for that. It's simple. And this is the default code that I provided. So you need to write the question here. You need to write the code here simply. And come to the third question, which is an inverted triangle, which I felt somewhat medium kind of thing, but we can solve it. So John is a tailor who is trying to design a t-shirt by placing diamond-shaped pieces of fabric in a pattern of inverted right-angle triangles. He has marked places where the diamonds will be placed on the t-shirt, but has difficulty counting the number of inverted triangles in it. The t-shirt design is given as matrix C, which has only the integer 0, no diamond like no 1, and the elements you need to help John to find the written and integer values representing the number of inverted right-angle triangles that will come up in a t-shirt size. Okay. So input specifications, and integer value represents the number of rows in the matrix, and integer we can do that. Okay. So come to the input 1, 4, 4 row and columns 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. So we have the following matrix here. So following on the inverted right angle triangles, we can observe in the matrix. So this is a one inverted triangle, and here you go one inverted triangle, and another one, and the another one. Simple. So for the example that they have provided, we can go with the four inverted triangles based on that. So we can write, but I don't know. I feel a little difficult to solve this problem. But in case if you are very good at coding and if you want to help our fellow community members, just please do write down the code for the code for the entire programs in the comment box below. I'll also share the solutions that I've written, but not in this video, but later video. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the entire video, and I'll be I'll be posting the solutions for that in the next video. Thanks for watching. So in case if you want detailed explanation or anything, just follow btech guide for more latest updates. That's it in this video, guys. All the best. Bye bye.